Dr. Thelma T. Tolentino. Our school principal, Madam Rodilyn L. Donadillo. Assistant School Principal, Madam Graciela Añasco. SPDA officials, headed by the President, Mr. Ariel Neri. Teachers, parents, pupils, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to this enchanting celebration of love. This afternoon, we gather to honor the spirit of Valentine's Day and crown our King and Queen, who embody the true essence of love and affection. Before we bestow our crowns, let us reflect on the beauty of love that surrounds us. It is in every smile, every shared glance, and every heartfelt whisper. And now, the moments we've all been waiting for, the grand entrance of King and Queen of Hearts, the Prince and Princesses, and the runners-up.
Ay, ma'am, may birthday. Kuan pa dito ha? Maray na. Pamabot? Wala lang tato.
Ay, si ano Lord?
May mga pares yung abot.
Si ano Lord?
Gipos, ano mo? Kuan. Karungag, kuan.
The four queens, Melbourne G. Sheres, grade 5 pupil under the advisory of Mrs. Lorena A. Diaz. His parents, Mr. Edwin and Marilis Sheres. The fourth princess is Diana Bell Bestari, grade 1 pupil of Kiev Marie Javier. Her parents, Mr. Danel Panal and Rodilyn Rizal. The third prince, CJ S. Añasco, a grade 6 pupil of Mrs. Gracie Abel. His parents, Mr. John Rex and Christina Añasco. The third princess is Jane Ashley P. Bauya, a grade 6 pupil of Gracie Abel.
Ano ang tarong?
Her parent, Mr. Jaime and Jane Bauya.
Dito, ka?
The second prince, Ken Ashley V. Palacio, a grade 2 pupil under the advisory of Mrs. Julieta S. Gollier. Parents, Mr. Pilanio and Anilin Palacio. Second princess, Mary Cynthia N. Abraham, a grade 3 pupil of Miss Jessa C. Ruby. Parent, Mr. Vincent and Mary Jane Abraham. The first prince, Ronnie Junior Relizan, a grade 1 pupil of Mrs. Jacqueline B. Labacha. Parent, Mr. and Mrs. Ronnie Relizan. First princess, Gwendolyn L. Pumoy, a grade 6 pupil of Miss Lisa Petilo. Parent, Mr. Winnie and Ignaline Comer. And now, the King and Queen of Valentine 2026. King Charles Mateo C. Delano, grade 5 pupil under Mrs. Evelyn R. Lacola. Parent, Arnie Delano and Annie Marie Pinzon. The Queen, Kate N. Setori, grade 4 pupil of Mrs. Chris Nezabel Gerard. Parent, Mr. Roger and Jeneline Setori. A round of applause, please. To formally start our program, may I request everyone to stand for an audio presentation of a prayer, to be followed by the singing of national anthem, Kef